Today is Saturday,
Yes.
but I see a lot of people going to church.
Yes, because even if Saturday
Yeah.
and Catholic Church we have Mass Saturday and Sunday.
Oh, I thought it's only Sunday.
No, here maybe just because we have more people. If one day not enough, so they give
So some will go
Saturday. Yeah, because not all people have rest day and Sunday.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
maybe.
Some people have Sunday, they will have work.
Yeah. Oh, and some people Saturday, like me.
So
Uh,
now you have work in Saturday.
I don't have work on Saturday. I have off
On
day
Saturday.
off. Yeah,
So you
Saturday.
take your Saturday off for church.
Yeah.
Because Sunday you will be in the work.
Yes, you're right. You got it.
I get the point.
Yeah. So that's why we have. Excuse me. You have a Christian?
No, I'm Muslim.
Oh, okay.
But because I take some passenger in the
In
church.
church,
Now I say today is Sunday.
you're confused.
Yeah, I confused because
Yeah.
usually I take in the Sunday.
Yeah.
Today I confused.
Yeah.
Sunday.
That's why you're now in your on point that not 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 all people go to church on Sunday just because Saturday and Sunday maybe one day they have.
I get the point.